3-2-1 buy down or a 2-1, a very common strategy now being used and has been used for decades. I was doing temporary buy downs like this in the 80s. And it's a very simple concept. With the 3-2-1 buy down as an example. The way this works is you're applying for a mortgage. And right now, you can see on our rate grid, I can arrange a 30-year fixed rate loan for somebody with a decent credit score and down payment at 6%, 30-year fixed. Now, they may look at that and look at the payment and say, ooh, that's a little tough to deal with, even though I may conclude after looking at all their documentation that they can qualify fine. But that doesn't mean they want to. I would say we're in an environment now where there's more folks who, on paper, can qualify for a payment even at current rates, but they're uncomfortable doing so because they'd rather spend less on their mortgage because they want money available for other things. But that aside, one of the things we try to point out to them is, look, if you're uncomfortable with that 6% rate and payment, when you're making that offer, consider asking for a concession. Don't take it off the price. So often the knee-jerk reaction is because the buyers who are out there have done their homework, and I think they are aware that they have more of an opportunity, they have more leverage. But the oversimplified approach is, well, let's just offer, some number 10, 20, 30,000 below list and get a deal. Okay, fine. But if you're still looking at a 6% rate, you're not going to use a buy down as part of your strategy. Offering 30,000 below the list price will get you some benefit in payment, but not that substantial. It's only $6 per thousand in loan amount. So 30,000 less price means your loan amount is going to be somewhere close to 30,000 lower. You might save $150 because of the lower price that you got accepted. I always point out, as another alternative, offer full price, ask for that 30 as a concession in dollars, a seller credit. Then what we do is show the borrower, we'll take that 30,000 and we'll use it to buy down your rate 3-2-1.